This is Ian Lamont, author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to reveal cutoff text in cells, like this stuff over here, in Microsoft Excel for Mac. Let's get started. So I have this spreadsheet. I can't see the text in these 2 columns here. And the easiest way to reveal that cutoff text is just to widen the cell. So I'm going to take the line that's between columns E and F and just pull it to the right. And then I can see most of the text there. The problem with that approach, though, is that it pushes the cells that are over here out of view, and maybe that's not possible for you. Another way to do it is you can select a column. So I'm going to select the whole column here, and then you'll see an option in the home ribbon. It says Wrap Text. So if you click the drop down there, you can just select Wrap Text. And what it's done, it's basically forced the text to the second line, and it's basically made it two lines for each cell. So that's one way to do it. The other thing that you can do is using the same command. This is the home ribbon, wrap text, the drop down. Select shrink text to fit, and basically what that will do is it'll make the text fit into the column by making it smaller. And the advantage of this approach, as opposed to wrapping the text within the cell, is that you'll keep all of the rows there. So there's 3 ways to take care of the problem. One way is by increasing the column width. The second way is by wrapping the text. And then the third way is by shrinking the text to basically fit the cell. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.